Welcome back, Chris Barfield, barfieldfinancial.com. I wanted to do a quick video today, something a little bit different. I went to the mail today and I got some packages in. This is pretty typical. I get packages like this in, generally contains coins. You guys can see from the wall the coins that you've sent in, hundreds of them literally. So appreciate that. Sometimes I'll get a small package of a box that might be a t-shirt or a mug, something like that. But today I got this, which I have no idea what this is. It's a little unusual for me to get something like this. It's got a little bit of weight to it. So I was just going to do an unboxing video. You're going to find out what it is at the same time I do. No one told me they were sending something like this. So let's see. Using my U.S. Marshall knife that I carried with me through most of my career all over the world. Let's see what we've got here. It's got a little bit of weight to it. So I don't know what it would... Okay, we've got some packaging. Looks like it's all one piece. Okay. Got a letter addressed to me, so that should explain what this is. All right, I'll read a little bit of this letter that they sent. They've been on for the federal government for 24 years, looking at retirement in the not too distant future. Follow me on social media. The enclosed gift is a little something that I made as part of a side hustle I started about 5 years ago, more of a stress reliever than anything else. I spend most weekends in my wood shop breaking down recycled whiskey barrels and making stuff out of them. Please accept this barrel stave sign engraved with your logo as a thank you for your service in both law enforcement and financial advisement. And then it goes on and on. I'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. So let's see what we got here. You guys can't smell it, but it smells good. It's got a unique smell about it. Well, that is pretty cool. It's got my logo on it, and this is a stave or a piece of the whiskey barrel. It's got a little hook on the back to attach it. I'm going to try to figure out a way to get this mounted up on the wall there. But this is sent in by... If you decide to share this gift on your social media, which I am right now, feel free to refer fellow Furzonians to Lil Choppy Barrel Swag page. I will post that in the notes. So it's Lil Choppy Barrel Swag. They say they'd be happy to offer a nice discount. So this is from Scott over there. Scott, thank you very much. This is for sure, certainly a one-of-a-kind for me. First time I've gotten something like this, so I appreciate it. Thank you very much. You guys feed your TSP and figure out what you're going to do in retirement. Get a hobby.